I'm Jeff Meter, Business Unit Manager for Ideal Industries. We're here today to introduce the TLC Toolless compression connector from Ideal. This is our RG6 compression connector designed to save you time, labor, and cost. It's very easy and simple to use. Standard RG6 cable, RG6 stripper. Start with a quarter inch industry standard prep. Fold back your braiding. What's real cool about this connector is no compression tool is required. Take the cable, slide it on, pull it back, and you're done. 45-pound pull force, connector will not come loose. No expensive compression tool that's required to be purchased. Brand new from Ideal. Website, idealindustries.com. Go there to find out more information on this and other Ideal products.